So my aim of joining politics is very simple. I'm not a poor man. If I stop working today, that I will not work again. With what I have invested will feed me and my family till I leave this world and die. If I stop today, that Ezeaku will no longer work. What Ezeaku have invested will feed me and my generation till I die. So I'm not joining politics because of money. I'm joining politics because of humanity. I want to challenge the Westerners. I want to bring a new development to the society. I want to bring a change. Understand? That is why I'm aspiring for House of Rep. So, some of you are saying, why do you join politics? Why can't I join politics? Should I continue praying so that those mentality where they don't give us? So I will continue they pray, they do juju, make juju come solve problem where government they solve for Dubai. Make prayer come solve problem where government they solve for Dubai. So who will join the politics if Ezeaku did not join the politics? Everything you have today, the reason why you are alive today is because of politicians. Those that gave you life today, the remaining life where you gave for Nigeria today, now government give you. You don't know. The remaining life where you get for Nigeria today, now government, no be juju or any spirit anywhere. Government gave you the life you are living today in Nigeria. If they decide you will die tomorrow, you will die. And some of bad governance in Africa that have decided that they are citizens will continue dying. Go to teaching hospital, you see them dying because of 2 pints of blood. You see them losing pregnant mothers on daily basis because of 1 pint of blood. When are they tell that the day where reality will hit you? You know, when I'm talking, you'll be typing anything you want. I don't know. But all I know is that since I started agitating, you have never used anything to prove me wrong, except imagination. You have never used any practical evidence, even after putting a lot of money for some people to come and prove me wrong in my agitation. None of you have come to prove me wrong. And you don't want to know that I'm trying to save you from your blindness. You are asking me, why do I join government? So who should join? You are complaining that the government is not doing well. Now I, Ezeaku Ejiofor, have decided that I will do well. And you ask me not to join. Okay, you that asking me why do you join government, do you have anybody in mind that all of us should support? That if this person go there, he's going to deliver. Then you bring the person. And we should just continue praying, doing okay to solve problem where production of button they suffer in America. We should go, since my mother born me to date, every day my parents discuss about Nigeria. And Nigeria will change, Nigeria will change. The change is here. Ezeaku is the game changer. The change is here.
Okay, the truth remains that some of us who don't understand some certain things, they understand. That is why a lot of us keep on complaining on daily basis without putting any action to solve our own problem. That is the fact. I don't hear many things concerning this our brother Ezeaku Ejiofor since when he make this move of being a politician, so that he can be able and have enough to help his own village people or his own town people. You see, you were from Uzo Uwani. Some of you don't know that Ezeaku is worth more than gold. Do you understand what I'm saying? But to let me come back to Nathan. If Ezeaku Ejiofor, or if I carry the gold, carry a silver. Ịghọta ife a na-agwa gị. So ọ bụ na ị bụ onye Uzo Uwani na-ege m ntị, do everything humanly possible to make sure na Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor nọ na that position. You people will not regret it. Ndị Igbo si na a na-esi n'isi ahụ were ama ụtọ nshi. ndị Igbo si ka hụnahụna dị etu a, kedu ka hụnahụna ya adị? Ịghọtago? Ezeaku bụ somebody ga-abụ ọtụpụ nkịta akpị ogosie nye. Ịghọtago? Ezeaku abụrụ onye afọ ji eze ekele ụmụazị anụ ngwere ma ọ kwere na ọ na-eri ngwere. No. Ezeaku bụ somebody handle goro public fund without any scandal ka unu na-akpị ya matabielu niile. Just look at his history. Since ọ na-arụ ọrụ NGO, nwoke onye ifo ya na ya na-abụkarị ikpe. Since ọ na-eme ife Gaddafi bụ buying and selling of land, a land agent or developing of a land like May State, onwenugo onye ifuru call ya out na onye ọkwụrụ na akwụrụ ya ụgwọ rie ego a, ma ọ bụ na ịkwụchara ụgwọ ọbụla na ahụ ka o kwe onye ziri gị gịnị ya na-abụ bido kpagharịba kụba na-ekwe. Inunugo something like that. Ọ na-akọpụrụ tipa. Inunugo that na ya na mmadụ kwụchara ụgwọ tipa orie ego tipa. Ọ na-ele cars. Inunugo na ya na mmadụ kpere ikpe na ọ na-ele car. But look around you, ụmụnne m na gị na-abụ ma ndị dịcha involve na landed property, aka na-aka ikpe steady, ma ndị na-ele moto a na-aka ikpe steady. But something like that adịrị ebe Ezeaku nọ. Ị na-agwa m dat na onye gburu ọkụkọ fuo efi na ọ yara egbu. And ị na-ene nwoke anyị fụ na nwoke dị contented. That language, that ya ihe o kwugoro ebe a, that language na ọsọgoro ya kịta anya kwụsị kịta na anọma na-emezi anything na ihe o invest go ga-ezuru ya na ụmụ ya. Ife a bụ word of mmadụ ịdị contented. Onye dị greed ya supposed ịkpọ ebe public office dị, because you must compromise yourself. Ịdị akpịrị ego ya da serve nwe public. Do you understand what I'm saying? Onye agụụ na-agụ suppose to save ihe odo any public office ebe a na-eweta public fund. So ị bụrụ onye Uzo Uwani na-ege m ntị, ọ bụkwa sentiment of this na Jizọs debe na-akụ tụkwala onye bụ humanity n'obi ga-asọvụrụ unu problem unu. Ekenekwenụ m unu ma help m share this video.